In the question number 64, we have to find the statement which is not related to the heartwood. If we cut the transverse section of the stem, this is the TS of stem, and in the center, the part which I am showing you here, this is the vascular cambium. Inside the vascular cambium, majority of the part which is present, that is secondary xylem, which is known as wood. Now, as the plant matures, the wood which is present in the central part, that is in the core, yes, it becomes non-functional. How does it becomes non-functional? That is due to the accumulation of certain compounds like essential oils, basically organic compounds. Along with that, the tertiary elements, they get plugged with the help of the tyloses. So the wood which is present in the center, which is non-functional, what do you call such type of the wood as? This is known as heartwood. And the one which is present at the periphery and which is still functional, you call this wood as sapwood. Now we can find the answer for this question. So looking into the first option, this is right because organic compounds, they are deposited. Yes, it is durable, it is resistant to the attack of termites. Now the third one, it conducts water and minerals sufficiently. No, it is non-functional. Right. Fourth one, it comprises of dead elements which are highly lignified. You know the tertiary elements like the vessel and tracheids, they have lignified wall. So again, it is a feature of heartwood. So the wrong option here is option number 3. So answer for this question is third option. So now we are going to discuss 65th question here. So question number 65. Now in the question we can see that there is an RNA, and in the RNA there are 999 bases. Right? 999 bases are there, जिसकी वजह से 333 amino acids form हो रहे हैं. Now there is some alteration in the RNA. The alteration is that कि 901 position पर जो base है वो delete हुआ है. तो इस question को करने से पहले सबसे पहले हमें जानना है कि what is a codon. कोडॉन के अंदर 3 बेसेस होते हैं, दैट इज इट इज ट्रिपलेट इन नेचर, और एक कोडॉन जो है वो एक अमाइनो एसिड के लिए कोड करता है. ठीक है, तो अब देखते हैं अगर इतने बेसेस हैं तो कितने कोडॉन्स पॉसिबल हैं. तो अगर 999 बेसेस है तो कितने कोडॉन पॉसिबल होते हैं? एक कोडॉन के अंदर 3 बेसेस होते हैं, तो 999 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 333, राइट. Now let's see into this altered condition now. अगर 901 पोजीशन पर डिलीशन है तो देखना है आप कितने कोडॉन्स चेंज होंगे. तो 901 पर डिलीशन है, उससे पहले कितने बेसेस होंगे? 900, राइट. तो 900 बेसिस हुए तो कितने कोडॉन्स है जिनके ऊपर कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि तो डिलीशन तो 901 से हुआ है. तो कितना हो गया? 900 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 300. दे आर परफेक्टली राइट कोडॉन्स, नो ऑल्टरेशन इज देयर. ठीक है, तो अब कितने कोडॉन्स के अंदर चेंज आएगा? ना 99 बेसिस बाद में थे. ठीक है, 99 बेसिस अगर बाद में थे तो उसके अंदर कितने कोडॉन्स बनेंगे? 99 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी 33 codons. They will be changed due to the deletion of bases, and the deletion of the bases leads to a mutation which is known as frame shift mutation. So now look into let's see the options here. So the right option for this question is option number 3. So answer is 3 here. So now let's discuss 66th question here. Now question number 66, this is a question regarding biosphere reserve. In a biosphere reserve, there are 3 zones. If we talk about the central zone, this is known as core zone. Now in the core zone, no human interference is allowed. It is also known as natural zone. Outside the core zone, there is buffer zone. In the buffer zone, human activities are allowed but only related to research and development. Now coming to the outermost zone here, this outermost zone, this is known as transition zone. Yes, transition zone. In the transition zone, human activities allowed होती है. यहाँ पर grazing कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर agriculture कर सकते हैं, human settlement हो सकती है, but nothing should be done at the cost of biodiversity. So now we can look at the options here. तो हमने देखनी है वो ऑप्शन जिसके अंदर लीगली प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया है और कोई भी ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी अलाउड नहीं है. अभी मैंने आपको बताया वो कौन सी जोन है, नेचुरल जोन, और नेचुरल जोन का दूसरा नाम क्या होता है, कोर जोन. सो द राइट ऑप्शन हियर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1. सो आंसर इज 1 फॉर क्वेश्चन 66. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 67 हियर.